We have complex fraction. Let's check first what we have in the numerator and in denominator. In the first algebraic fraction we have s plus t over s minus t, and we see that in the denominator we have s plus t over s minus t, only different sign, and we have s minus t over s plus t, and we have negative sign before s minus t over s plus t. So we have the same algebraic fractions in the denominator, only different sign. So what we will do, I will factorize negative sign. We can do this in the numerator or denominator, it doesn't matter. I will factorize negative sign from the numerator. So this is equal. I will put negative sign before parentheses. So now in parentheses I will have negative s plus t over s minus 1 minus t and now because I factorize negative sign, so it will be plus s minus t over s plus t. Negative and negative give me positive, so we have positive expression first, and positive give me negative, so this is negative. I didn't change anything. It's still the same expression in the numerator, and the denominator I will copy. Now I will put first positive algebraic fraction and then negative. So we will have the same order like in the denominator. So negative sign we have to copy, and now I will have s minus t over s plus t minus s plus t over s minus t. And over we have s minus t over s plus t minus s plus t over s minus t. Now we see that we have the same expression in parentheses in numerator and in denominator. So we can cancel out this whole term in parentheses. Would be 1 and 1. So this is equal. We have like negative 1 here. Negative 1 times positive 1 give me negative 1. And in denominator we have 1. So negative over positive give me negative. So 1 over 1 is 1. This is my solution.